Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can help you with that. Installing Python on Linux Mint is a straightforward process, and you can use the following steps to do so. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of installing Python 3, which is the latest stable version at the time of writing. Open a terminal window on your Linux Mint system. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt T or by searching for terminal in the application menu. Before installing Python, it's a good practice to update the package lists to make sure you are getting the latest version of the software. Run the following command. Enter your password if prompted. To install Python 3, use the following command. This command will download and install Python 3 along with any necessary dependencies. After the installation is complete, you can verify the Python installation by checking its version. Run the following command. This should display the version number of the installed Python. For example, it might show something like Python 3.8.5. Pip is a package manager for Python that makes it easy to install and manage Python libraries. Install pip using the following command. Verify the pip installation by checking its version. This should display the version number of the installed pip. If you need to install a specific version of Python, you can use the Python 3.x format. For example, to install Python 3.9, use sudo apt install Python 3.9. You might also want to consider using virtual environments to manage your Python projects. This allows you to create isolated environments for each project, with its own dependencies. That's it. You've successfully installed Python on your Linux Mint system. Now you're ready to start coding in Python on your machine. ChatGPT. Certainly. Installing Python on Linux Mint is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the installation with code examples. You can open a terminal in Linux Mint by pressing Ctrl Alt T or by searching for terminal in the application menu. It's a good practice to update the package lists before installing any software. Use the following command. By default, Linux Mint usually comes with Python 3 pre-installed. However, to ensure you have the latest version or if you want to install Python 2, use the following commands. After the installation is complete, you can verify the installed Python version by running the following commands. Pip is a package management system used to install and manage Python packages. It is not always included with the Python installation. To install pip, use the following commands. Check the pip version to make sure it was installed successfully. Or, it's good practice to use virtual environments to manage project dependencies. To install virtualenv, use the following command. Now, you can create a virtual environment for your project. Activate the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment later, simply run. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python on Linux Mint. You can now start coding in Python on your Linux Mint system. ChatGPT.